In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report the sale of rental property on TurboTax. We'll walk through the path to get into the correct rental property section so you can begin entering the information related to your sale. If you've been trying to find where this belongs inside TurboTax, this process makes it much easier to locate the right area. Start by going to the top navigation and hovering over income. This opens the section where TurboTax organizes all of the money-related entries for your return, including wages, investments, and property-related income. You don't need to click immediately if a menu appears when you hover. Just make sure you are in the income area before moving on. From there, click on Wages and Income Summary. This takes you to the main summary page where different income categories are grouped together. Think of this as the central hub for anything you need to add, review, or update on your tax return. Once you're on that page, use the search field and type in rental. This is a quick way to narrow down the list, especially if you don't want to scroll through every income category manually. Searching helps TurboTax surface the section that applies to rental property activity. When the results appear, click on Rentals, Royalties, and Farm. That category includes the rental property area you need. Even though the title also mentions royalties and farm income, this is the correct place for rental real estate information. Next, find rental properties and royalties and click Start. This launches the interview section where TurboTax begins asking questions about your property. If you've already entered rental information before, you may see like a different button such as Edit or Revisit, but the goal is the same. Open that rental property section. On the next prompt, click Yes. This confirms that you do have rental property information to enter and allows TurboTax to continue guiding you through the setup. At this point, you may see a message letting you know that you need to be on a supported plan to continue. If that appears, that's expected. TurboTax sometimes requires an upgraded version for rental property reporting because this section involves more detailed tax treatment, especially when a property has been sold. So that's the navigation path to reach the rental property reporting area in TurboTax. Take your time as you move through each screen and make sure you're entering everything in the rental section rather than a general income area, since that helps TurboTax apply the correct tax rules for the sale.